Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of RAM with the Corsair Vengeance RGB RT 32GB DDR4 3600MHz kit. Let's kick things off with aesthetics because, let's face it, we all want our rigs to look as slick as they perform. With 10-zone RGB lighting and individually addressable LEDs, this memory kit turns your PC into a mesmerizing light show. The panoramic light pipe ensures that no matter where you're seated, you're treated to an unobstructed view of the RGB goodness. But enough about looks, let's talk performance. Optimized for AMD motherboards, this kit pairs beautifully with your Ryzen setup, delivering top-notch bandwidth and lightning-fast response times. And if you're into overclocking, you'll be pleased to know that these modules come with tightly screened memory chips, offering extended overclocking potential without breaking a sweat. Now, onto cooling. The dual-tone aluminum heat spreaders not only look sleek but also conduct heat away from your memory, ensuring superb cooling even during intense gaming sessions or overclocking endeavors. Plus, with the custom performance PCB providing the highest signal quality, you can count on optimal performance and stability, even when pushing your system to the limits. And let's not forget convenience. The Vengeance RGB RT automatically configures to the maximum supported speed on compatible systems, saving you the hassle of manual BIOS tweaks. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. Faster load times, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier system experience await. In conclusion, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RT 32GB DDR4 3600MHz kit is more than just eye candy. It's a powerhouse of performance, stability, and style. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just a PC enthusiast looking to take your rig to the next level, this memory kit has got you covered. So go ahead, unleash the full potential of your Ryzen system with the ultimate memory upgrade from Corsair. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.